Hello, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming magical membership workshop on runes. Runes can be used for many of life's problems. We're going to use for such things as money, work, health, healing, love, overcome various problems, helping master certain emotions such as dealing with anger, grief, fear, worry, depression. Basically, it can be used for so many things in life. I've spoken before on runes. What we're going to be doing in this workshop is creating what we call bind runes, simple runic spells, teaching you how to combine runes to make these different spells. I'll be giving you a number of ready-made ones for dealing with such things we've spoken about. I'll give you some bind runes for healing, dealing with emotional problems, protection while traveling, many possibilities, and you'll be able to learn to create your own spells. So basically, these runes are going to give you mastery of many areas of your life, dealing with some of the simple things without getting too complicated. Any little problem you have in your life, you create a bind rune to deal with it, and life changes. It's a very simple and easy way of improving your life in many ways and dealing with the problems as they come up. So if you'd like to actually learn more about this and learn this simple magic for changing your life and overcome all your problems, I'll see you on the Magical Membership Workshop.